Class, so this is grid map spiral level 3. It says program the VR robot to draw a spiral that hits every square. Okay, so yours is going to look just like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to use level 1 as kind of a base. All right. It says then program the VR robot to turn around and follow the spiral back to the beginning position. So basically, just like level 1 where we create this spiral and we end up here, we're going to go all the way back around, and where we started is where we end. Okay. So let's take a look at the playground here. All right, so let me go ahead and refresh this. This is my level 1 code right here. All right, so what I would do is once we get done, we've actually decreased this variable that we declared. We've decreased it down to nothing, right? So we want to set that variable again, and we want to set it to 200. All right, so I'm going to set that to 200. Then what I would do is I would come up to control, and I would go to repeat, and I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to say 9 times right now, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, okay, so when we get done with this level 1 right here, we are actually facing north. So if we're facing north, we want to actually go forward first. So let's drive forward using the variable as well. And then we're not taking a right this time, we're going to take a left. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this left in here. And then we're going to go forward again. Use a variable. And then I'm going to go turn left. And then just like we have up here, the set distance, I'm going to go ahead and Control C, or Command C, Command V, because I'm using a Mac. I think it would be Control C and Control V if you're using Windows. But this operator right here, we're going to actually use addition. Okay, so then what I would do is I would take a variable and I would use distance and use 200 right here. All right, but this right here, since we repeated this 9 times, it actually will end up right here. So we're going to have to use one more drive forward, and we're going to put 1800 millimeters right here. That should take us all the way down to the end. So let's take a look and see. And this is going to take just a second. Again, even though we've got the drive velocity and the turn velocity set at 100%, it's still going to take us probably a minute and a half just to complete this. So again, this is just going through level 1 code right here. So if you did level 1 code correctly, don't delete it, just reuse it. Alright, so we're getting close to being done with level 1 code. And you don't have to, you can just use a black pen on this one. Don't worry about using different colors at this point. Alright, so here we go. This is level 3 code right here. And if it's done correctly, it should go all the way to the end. Let's find out. Alright, here we go. This should be, right here is going to be the last part of repeat number 9. And then once it gets to this end, we should use the drive forward at 1800 millimeters. Perfect. And there you go. That is number 3 for grid map spiral. And on here, I don't think it asks you to use the pen, but I want you to use the pen just so I can see what you're doing. Let's see, draw a spiral that hits every square. Yeah, so I want you to use the pen no matter what. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.